Hello, I'm going to show you the feature inside the mobile application in the client unit. We have here our smart meter application. This is just the main page. Then we have the login page and we can forget password or like create a new account. The new account will be created for the sub client inside the house. Suppose my father goes to the utility company and register as a client, then my family then me and my family is going to register as a sub client to use the system. This feature added only to facilitate the login stuff and login to the application. But we have to insert the client ID correctly and the family password correct. And the family and the family password will be you can use it by register at the utility company, and we have to insert the client information like that. And what is the email address, the phone number, and the city, street, the postcode, just normal information. The password should have a capital letter, and the confirm password. The password and confirm password should be the same. Here to add address, you have two options. You can add your current address, depends on the GPS information, or you can search to find your address. I will search to find my address. Click search. Then this is the address showed here. Actually, you can add or the system or the application is going to ask you if you need to upload your personal image. I will check yes. Then click on next. You can take a picture or you can upload the image from here. After that, click on uploading. Then it will take a while and this client will be registered at the system in the system. Now I will log in as a client, main client, and see what are the functionalities that this application
Hello
has.
Zainab, welcome to Smart Meter application. You have different button in order to control your electrical devices as well as display, fees, electricity consumption, etc.
This voice, I don't know if you hear it or not, but this is going to help like the client, the people who have a problem with their voice that you're logging done successfully. If somebody else log into the system, from here you can display fees information, what are the months that is not paid yet, and what are the payment history, how many which month you paid, which month you not. So we have August is already paid, June and October, and September is not paid yet. And also you can display receipt. This receipt is for the current month, which is for October. This is the current consumption ampere and in watt and kilowatt and fees inbound. You can search and add the month. Then you click search to it showed you different information the fees and something like that. If you need to search about August and click search, you will see that if you press on the payment, then you said it's already paid for this month. We will need to use another month and press yes. Then if you click pay, then it's going to take you to the PayPal account and you can pay by PayPal. Press on that. You have to insert the password correctly. Login. It will take a while in order to make this payment done successfully. Then press pay. Just wait a while. Then your payment done successfully. After that, this month will be paid successfully. Now, for allowing the client to rate the application as well as contacting the company if there is any queries, they can rate the application by choose any of these stars, and they can contact the utility company by sending email, just typing what they need. Then the SMS will be sent and send email to them as well, but the email address is not working at the university right now. So this is how they can contact the company. Feature help the client to display the direction between client address and the utility company address. So after you pressing on A, you will see this is the client fees, current fees, and on B, this is the contacting number for the company. And if you move your phone right, up, or down, you will see here this is compass will be help you to go to the right direction. Here we have what is the distance and the time to go to this to the utility company, and within this feature the client will be easy to access to the utility company at the specified time. If after go to the setting page, we have different information. Here, it will be easy to the client to set up their system without need to the internet first. By using system setup, they can insert the device name or hair dryer and select the pin number, suppose 8. Then after click assign, this information will be inserted successfully to the SQLite inside the mobile application. So this will I choose the SQLite because the process can be done in a short time first. And easy to reload this information, as well as the data, or there is no need to the internet to access to this information. So if I insert room room oops, room and select pin 6, then assign, this is already inserted before, and if you check it here, this is already inserted. As well as I add a new feature, which is set the budget. This feature is going to help to send a notification to the client if the budget was set by the client for each month is how much you want to pay for each month. If they select 100, then our system is going to check if the consumption of the current consumption for that client for this month excess 75% from the budget we set by the client, is going to send them a notification. So suppose I set it to 0.1, then add, this will be added to the system, and our system is going to check, depends on this budget. I will show you the notification later on. For account setting, they can update their personal data, click update, or update the contact information, as well as they can update the address by searching to find their new address, and click on the update. And another feature is to help the user to set up their system while they are in their home, and by inserting or typing the Arduino IP address, and this feature will help the client or the central, when the central unit set up a smart meter to the client, it will be easy to set up the IP address to the client, or the client can easily set up their Arduino IP address. So this is the Arduino IP address. Click add, this will be added. successfully. And about this feature, automatically controlling, this feature added in order sometimes people need their lights to be switched on and like to switch off at night and switch it on at another time. So this feature will be worked as follows. First of all, we have to choose which device, then we have to select on or off. After I click on, it will take a while. Then I just select the current time, which is 5:37 p.m. It will take a while, then it will send us a notification that is this feature is working. And if you can see now our smart meter, the switch on our smart meter is already on. So like after, if you need like to turn it off, you will just by pressing and just select the current time, and the smart and our switch in the smart meter will be off. And this might I will show it to you later on. So this is alarm is already send us another time for off feature. Now another thing we have here, the consumption rate. We have the consumption rate for all month and dates in the system in details. So if I like zoom in to this chart by chart, you will see more information in details for each like month, date and time. You can search, it depends on the year. Suppose I choose this year, then the information will be 0 because our smart meter is started at 2017. These statistics shows how the consumption for each month, and for July, August, September. And for more details, you can see the bar chart in details, and you can zoom in or to see some information about that. Consumption statistics. This shows the consumption statistic for the current year month and in watt, as shown here. And this is the consumption statistic from September. This is for August, and as shown here, you can just see. This will help the user to see their consumption, and it may advise the client to save energy, because they will see that like in August their energy is not like in September, so they are going to switch off some devices like here in October. And also you can search by the year, and it will display zeros. About this feature, it will help you to show you a real-time energy consumption from the meter, and it will be easy to see this information while you are in your bed or in your room or somewhere, and to monitor how much the consumption in your meter is. And this is displaying ampere, kilowatt and watt. This feature will be easy to monitor, and also it works in offline with the Arduino, so there is no need to connect to the internet in order to access to this feature. um, so after like from the statistic page, there's different advices to the end user in order to control and manage their consumption by seeing like the consumption for all month in details, and how much they paid for each month. And they can see real time consumption. So with all of these features, it will be easy to monitor the smart meter while they are in their like in their room and far away from the smart meter. I added for controlling, I added two different feature, manually and by a voice. So manually it will be easy to manually and switch on and off the device while you are in your room. And this feature will help different type of people to control their devices without need without need to go to the device itself and switch it on and off. This feature it may help deaf people or may help different people to control their devices. Using your voice, they can say this device name as well as on and off after pressing on this button, and may help the people who have a problem with their hands or have a problem with the reading data, so they can just say the device name and on and off, or if they need like to say switch turned on, then our system is going to filter and take the device name only as well as the pin number. So with all of these feature, the final system, it will be easy for the end user, and it will help them to easy manage their device and without need sometimes some features working without need to the internet. That's it about the application. Thank you very much.